Toyota Corolla is a name that drivers have come to expect to really deliver. So, 2025 sees sleek style paired with plenty of intuitive technologies, which includes the newly available 10.5-inch touchscreen. There's even a sporty new Corolla FX Special Edition. Featuring two distinct takes on the small sedan, Corolla offers something for everyone. Together with its available hybrid EV grades and available all-wheel drive system, Corolla is the modern compact that's likely to inspire confidence at every turn. Corolla's lineup is as diverse as it is stylish, featuring 7 grades, 3 of which are powered by Toyota's proven hybrid electric system. Corolla blends technology, efficiency, and fun. For 2025, Corolla FX joins the lineup paying tribute to the 1987 Corolla FX16. Based on the SE grade, Corolla FX delivers a healthy dose of style to its spirited drive, featuring 18-inch satin black finished alloy wheels with machined accents, a black painted rear spoiler, an exterior badging, black painted mirror caps, a midnight black metallic shark fin antenna, smoked LED taillights with black accents, black lug nuts, and available two-tone exterior colors with a midnight black metallic roof. This dynamic compact just can't be ignored. And with its FX-tuned steering and lowering springs, Corolla FX matches good looks with an engaging drive. Looking at its interior, there are standard Moonstone sport fabric seats with orange stitching for an eye-catching contrast. But this is just one part of Corolla's story, since the stylish compact gets even more exciting behind the wheel. Toyota Corolla's performance starts with a standard 169 horsepower 2-liter engine on its gas grades, which is paired with a dynamic shift continuously variable transmission, featuring a physical launch gear for a sportier drive. Meanwhile, the available hybrid EV powertrain pumps out 138 net combined horsepower. The available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system on Hybrid LE and Hybrid SE addresses drivers' need for dependable traction. Best of all, Corolla complements its engaging driving dynamics with solid fuel economy. There's up to an EPA estimated 35 miles per gallon combined on gas grades, or up to an EPA estimated 50 miles per gallon combined on hybrid EV grades. Corolla's style is sporty, 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 thanks to its low, wide, aggressive design. This performance-oriented aesthetic includes details like a grade-specific front fascia. There are other features, including standard LED headlights and available 16-inch alloy wheels, worth getting excited about. SE and XSE step up the sportiness thanks to their standard graphite-colored 18-inch alloy wheels and a single exhaust with dual chrome finish tips. To complement its design, Corolla's available power tilt/slide moonroof lets the outside into the cabin. Let's take a look at Corolla's interior. Step inside using the available Smart Key system. Now enjoy seats trimmed in fabric on LE and SE grades, or Softex for XSE and Hybrid XLE. Corolla SE and XSE's standard sport front seats provide added support for the driver and front passenger when the road gets twisty. On top of that, the standard automatic climate control system, available power driver seat, and available heated front seats bring a premium feel. As if all of this wasn't enough, the available leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters adds a touch of sportiness, and added control for drivers who crave a more engaging drive. Of course, Corolla's interior is also flush with intuitive technologies that make staying entertained on the road less difficult. When it comes to connectivity, Corolla delivers the goods in the form of its Toyota Audio Multimedia platform. Featuring an 8-inch or a newly available 10.5-inch touchscreen, it includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the Sirius XM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. For an immersive listening experience, the available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system pumps out tunes in high fidelity. On top of that, Corolla's available 7-inch digital gauge cluster puts key driving information in the driver's line of sight, while the available Qi-compatible wireless charger helps keep mobile devices charged without needing to plug in. But Corolla's ingenuity reaches beyond the audio multimedia experience. Every Corolla grade comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Additionally, the available blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert brings added convenience behind the wheel. With its engaging drive, intuitive tech, and design touchpoints, Corolla stands out from the crowd. And every Corolla includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Hybrid EV grades include a hybrid system warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making it a strong choice for long-term ownership. Visit toyota.com/Corolla to learn more.